Hey guys, I apologize that I look like trash. Is because I haven't showered, and yesterday I went to go play soccer, so I got all sweaty, my hair got all messed up. But I'm on my way with Ling Ling. She's over there changing. We're like literally matching. We're on the same thing, but we're on our way because today is gonna be a very productive day. I'm gonna be with my mom almost like 12 hours. So, and I'm trying to go shooting, but I don't know. But yeah, today's gonna be a productive day. I'm sorry for the quality again. I'm not used to this camera, but. Yeah, right now we're on our way to Mega Mart because that's where Hispanic people shop for food. And we're going to cook some good ass food. If you guys don't know what tortillas de harina is, that's what we're going to eat today. So, welcome to another video. It's your boy, Fatboy Sneaker. You got to introduce yourself.
What's up, people?
It's tough. Alright, we should head on our way because I think my mom was like been done. She was supposed to change it. I'm pretty sure she's done because you know how Hispanic moms are. So let's go ahead and get the date started. Let's get it. Yay. Alright, one thing I hate about vlogging with small cameras is that the mic is awful. So if you guys hear the little wind and the distortion, it's like you can't vlog outside with small cameras because they don't have a mic. So they don't like cancel out the wind like they should be doing, but they don't. So okay, we're on our way though, cause our mama's sing forever. Yeah, it's already 10:17 p.m. So I didn't vlog anything at all. Continue this tomorrow? Yeah. I didn't vlog anything at all today. Tomorrow it is. What is going on, guys? It is 8 in the morning, and I am literally just dropped my mom off at work because she does work around here, and I decided, you know what, I'm just drop my mom off, and I don't want to waste gas, so might as well go to the gym in the morning. You guys don't know, I've been on my gym grind, but yeah, we are right now at the gym. And yesterday I did not vlog at all. Yesterday, what did I do yesterday? I believe I went to, after I filmed, I went to Mega Mart, and then literally got home, and then I literally stayed home watching Netflix, and then we ate. Did I go out? Oh yes. Then my friend gave birth. I had to go to the hospital to see the baby, and I'm telling you, that baby is so cute, such a blessing. But other than that, that's pretty much, literally I did not like nothing, so there was nothing for me to vlog. But hopefully today's gonna be more productive. So I'm starting my day off productive. It's already 8 in the morning, and I'm going to the gym. And I do have something to do from 6 to 9, and I'm not gonna vlog that, so I'm gonna be as productive as I can from before 6, so 8 to 6, right? So yes, enough of me talking, guys. Let's go ahead and hit the gym, and I'll be back with what? I don't even know what I'm saying, and I'll be back when I'm done. It's that simple. Why am I so complicated? I don't know. Let's get it. I'm at the gym, guys. Originally, I was supposed to come with my friend Kevin, but he ended up faking. So Kevin, if you're watching this by any chance, you will. Alright, guys. Let's get to working out.
There ain't nobody by your side, and ain't nobody there to lean, and ain't nobody in my mirror, ain't no fresh air in between. When the vision keep on playing and you're trying to live your dream, all you wanna say is stop and let me feel it how it seems. See, they treat me like I'm famous, yet they acting like I'm brainless. Nowadays I'm feeling painless, cause the smile here is stainless. Everything is motivation, everything need room for more. Everything says hit the top, but that's some shit you can't afford. Or just face the harsh reality, your hometown ain't enough. Yet they quote me overseas, cause Rowlan is real as fuck. Ain't no handouts or plugs, and they ain't posting every song, but every song I post is godly. Grab a book and read along. You could be your own apostle, but you looking for the pay. You ain't even met the Rowlan, radio will overplay. And trust me, man, it's coming since the start up in the wind. I'm not doing shit again, how I'm doing ain't been done.
Just left the gym, as you can see behind me. Hold up, give me a second. Alright, oh my god, dude, I am so tired. My lips probably look white as hell. But I just left the gym, of course, as I was just saying, and then that truck was making a whole bunch of noise. But I was at the gym for like 2 hours and 10 minutes, and I worked out for, I always time myself every time I go to the gym. I worked out for 1 hour and 49 minutes right there. So yeah, it was actually a struggle because I was trying to film and work out, and what the hell? It was actually sort of a struggle because, look, I'll show you guys the footage where I tried to film myself, and the camera just fell. I was like, oh my god, like I got scared. But yeah, that's why I was kind of expecting my man's Kevin to come film work out with me so that he can like get me a little footage for you guys. But it's fine. I know that the lighting and the quality might be awful just because the lighting in there is horrible, and this camera is not that it's not that good and dark lighting. But yeah, right now it is 10:39. I got here around 8, and yeah, I don't know what I'm about to do. I guess I'm gonna go home, drink my protein and then eat breakfast, because I did not eat breakfast. As soon as I woke up, mom was like, come on, get ready, brush my teeth, change, and then just left, and I came here. I didn't even get a chance to eat breakfast, and thank God that didn't really mess me up, because I could have honestly fainted because I did work out. Like, I went hard at the gym, and I didn't eat breakfast. So man, yeah, enough talking. I've been talking for like 2 minutes, but yeah, I guess it's time to go home, and then I'll catch you guys when I get there, and then I'll talk to you guys more. Yeah. Is he waiting for me to get out? No, right? Ready? Ready? Are you serious? I didn't open it? Oh my god. Thought I did, bro. There you go. Alright, ready? Hey, nigga, calm down. Hey, stop. Calm down. Ah! Look how happy this nigga gets. Ay. Oh my god. Alright, calm down. Alright, let's go outside. Jesus. Guys, change of plan. I have to go, I decided to go with Crystal to the mall, because she's gonna go ahead and get her new phone. That way I can kind of get more content for you guys, bring you guys along. But right now I am on a rush doing my protein shake, because again, I told you guys that I haven't really eaten breakfast. Get my protein shake, and then just literally head out. So I have to do this in a rush. And yeah, man, I'm gonna put my camera down because again, I'm in a rush. See you guys. Excuse me, when I'm out. Real quick, this is what my protein shake includes. Some 10 blueberries, 10 raspberries, and 5 strawberries, and usually a half a banana, but the bananas are all green, so I didn't get to put a banana. 2 scoops of protein. You see the little seeds? These little joints, they're supposed to like improve your metabolism, and yeah, and of course milk, and then you just like zzz. And yep, this is your final product, result, whatever. It's purple because, of course, the purple is stronger than the red, so the purple takes over, and you just pour that on your thing, on your bottle. Let that right there. Perfect. Perfection! Perfection! Okay, guys, I'm really late, and I don't know what to do with my life, okay? I have to go, okay? I'm sorry, I know I just got here, I'm about to leave you guys again. But I have to go. Bye, doggos. I love you guys. Take care of yourself. Okay. Guys, I'm honestly late. And Crystal said that. Her dad. This is the plan. I'm going to go there. Okay, this is the plan. I'm going to go there. And I'm going to leave my car over there. And I'm going to go with them. So I'm going to drive with them. Because. So her dad is going to drive us to Montgomery Mall. And I'm just going to leave my car. Or the car over there. Open this up. Oops. Okay. I don't know why I brought my backpack, guys. Let me put you guys out. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog at the mall, because the thing is that every time I go to the malls, I don't vlog as much. So we'll see, man. We'll see how it goes. But the plan is to vlog, and later I have to go somewhere during 6 to 9. And then later I have to go somewhere from 6 to 9. And then I might go bowling with my cousins, my family. Hopefully I might go, because they want to go at a certain time, and I don't think I'm gonna make it at that time. But guys, and I'm talking because I'm already late to Crystal's house, and it's already 11:16. She told me to be there by, she didn't give me a time, but she told me to be there as soon as possible. So we have to go, guys. We have to go. We've arrived to Ling Ling's house. Yes, we made it in time. I just hope she has something for me to eat. I can't wait to see her.
It's open, you ugly.
Yeah, ugly.
So we're on our way to Montgomery Mall. And he stinks because he just got out of the gym. Right? Did you vlog at the gym? Yes, so we're on our way and to Montgomery Mall get my phone upgraded because as you can see it's cracked.
And who did that?
And who did this? Him. He was like kind of pissed at me, so like he
I wasn't
threw my
pissed,
phone.
it was an accident.
No. He like literally dropped it. Like no, he slapped it out of my hand, right? Tell them the truth. He was mad. Straight. See, I have to be here all the time because he doesn't know his directions. Like I always have to tell him, or the GPS. If I'm not here, he's gonna be lost by now.
You want to do it?
See?
Straight?
See what I mean?
Right, left?
Yeah, straight, babe. Shaking my head. Okay, we'll catch you up in the mall. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Say bye, fat ass.
Didn't I tell you guys? I told you guys. I told you I was gonna go to the mall and not vlog anything. That it was a possible chance that it was gonna happen. And literally, all we did was go to the AT&T store and that's it. And then we just left. So therefore, I couldn't really vlog anything, even if I wanted to. But look, the fridge is full, and your boy's on a diet, so he has to watch out what he gets to eat. And yeah, I'm hungry because I didn't eat anything at all. All I like pretty much put in my body was the protein shake, and that's pretty much it. But we're home, and actually, I don't know what else I'm gonna do today besides sleep. I have to go pick up my mom soon, and then sleep, and then go to the thing I told you guys that I gotta go from 6 to 9, and I think that's gonna be my day. So I guess this kind of vlog is from yesterday, but it's not from yesterday. It was just for this morning. It was pretty hectic in my opinion, but yeah. It's like I'm telling you guys, my life is not interesting, so I don't know how you guys can watch my vlogs and be like, oh, your vlogs are nice, but like my life sucks, man. It sucks. But I do have a lot of projects coming out for you guys. You guys don't understand. There's a really huge project that I'm working on that is gonna take its time, and I don't know how long it's gonna take, but it's gonna take a long time, and no more than 3 months. I promise you guys. Probably like a month or two, but yeah. That project's gonna be really, really cool, really crazy, and I have a feeling it's gonna blow up. And yeah, this is a really cool project. Also, I have another project, aka a business coming. If you guys don't know, I'm starting my own business with somebody else. But yes, so good things coming this year. And like I look like trash because again I went to the gym and I didn't shower yet. So pretty much it. Guess I'm gonna have to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip, that little vlog. If anything else happens, then I'll pull you guys up. But for now, I think this is gonna be the end of my day. But yeah, hope you guys had a wonderful time. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you guys are watching. Your boy Fatboy is out and about, and I'm hungry. Deuces.
I'm getting noticed out in Hollywood, I knew that was you. People ask me for a pic, I wanna pic with you too. How long have you known my name and what song have you heard? Nike's on my feet is legend, bro, I know every word. I mean, damn, all